Welcome back to the lab. Today we're testing power transformers with just a signal generator and an oscilloscope. Let's identify the wires. Black is the primary, red's the secondary, yellow's for the rectifier, and green are for the heaters. Set your meter for ohms and check for resistance. Primary looks good, secondary looks good. I'm checking it between the center tap also. And then I check for continuity on the yellow wires going to the rectifier. They look good, and the green wires going to the heater look good. So this transformer should be good. Let's test it some more. We connect channel 2 to the secondary from end to end and leave the center tap loose. And then I'll hook the generator and channel 1 into the primary. And then set the oscilloscope for 60 Hertz out sine wave and the output to 1 millivolt RMS. That 1 millivolt input gives us 5.15 volts output. So that gives you a turns ratio of 5 to 1. Now we know the transformer is good. Let's hook it to the variac. And we're going to put out a 30 volt input into it, and we get out 152 volts. We divide 152 by 30, that gives you a 5 to 1 ratio. So now we can connect it to our meter and put 120 volts into the primary. We'll get 305 volts out between the center tap and one end. And if we check it between end to end, you'll have about 610 volts. So here we have 5.5 volts on the rectifier and 7.1 on the heaters. When you put a load on that, it'll go down a little bit. This FNIRSI DPOS350P Oscilloscope is very handy to have to test transformers with. If you like these sort of videos, I appreciate your support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. In our next video, I'll show you how to calculate the impedance of any unknown output transformer. We'll figure the turns ratio and the frequency response too. Sheila fell asleep on the tube tester. Good night.